Integral calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with the concept of integration, which is the opposite of differentiation, the process of finding derivatives. Integral calculus provides a way to calculate the total change of a variable with respect to another variable. The primary tool used in integral calculus is the definite integral, which is a measure of the total change of a variable over a given interval. Integral calculus has many important applications in various fields, including physics, engineering, economics, and computer science. In physics, it is used to calculate the total distance traveled by an object, the total work done by a force, and the total charge in an electric circuit. In engineering, it is used to calculate the volume of a solid of revolution, the center of mass, and the total amount of fluid flowing through a pipe. In economics, it is used to calculate the total revenue and cost, and to estimate the total market size of a product. In computer science, it is used to calculate the total area under the curve of a function, which is useful in image processing and computer vision. Overall, integral calculus is a powerful tool that allows us to calculate the total change of a variable over a given interval, and it is used in a wide range of fields to model and analyze complex systems.